Video marketing. Do you find you're creating great content but still not getting the audience you want? If so, it's highly likely you're not creating the right sort of content, as the way people consume content and the type of content they consume is changing rapidly. To survive, you must evolve your own content creation strategy to make sure you're using the right tools and using them correctly and in all the right places. The average person is not looking for your content, so you need to hunt them out and find them. Even once you've found them, you still need to win their attention and their trust, which can be difficult with all the competition that's out there in the digital marketplace. The goal is to win their loyalty, then get them to purchase, and one of the most effective ways you can do this is through video content. People are lazy, and it's easier for them to watch a video than it is to get them to read a long article that covers all the same points. Market research backs this up with evidence. 79% of consumers state they would rather find out about a product by watching a video as opposed to reading an article or text-based ad. Try and make it as easy as possible for your intended audience to consume your content. As video is so in demand, it's a lot easier to make people engage with content produced in this format than it is any other type of content, particularly text-based copy. Think of your video content like a visual blog, article, or written ad. Just one small video showcasing the tasty dishes your restaurant serves up will attract many more customers than the best written text content that has thousands of words. It's a great idea to base much of your digital marketing strategy on video content, as this will only serve you well in the long term. For Facebook and Instagram, short videos in a mobile format will get you the immediate attention you need. For YouTube, you need to put out longer, more informative videos in a standard film format. Give people value, step-by-step guides and tutorials, but most of all, make your content fun and enjoyable to watch. Video content is so powerful. Just one standout video can completely turn around your brand and your profits. This is because people are hungry for video. They love viewing it on social media, and Google rates it highly too. Google loves to show video high up in search results, usually in the first position. One single video could boost your SEO and social media and help you sell your products or services by the bucket load. In this course, you'll discover how to create epic videos using just your smartphone. These days, smartphone hardware is of such high quality, you really don't need any extra special equipment. Smartphones are so good now. We even shot several segments of this course on an iPhone 7. Our step-by-step guides will quickly show you how to create professional-looking short videos for Facebook and Instagram using just your smartphone or online editing software. If you're still not convinced you should make the switch to video, here's a few facts that might help you change your mind. By 2021, 80% of all global internet consumption is becoming video content. According to YouTube, mobile video consumption has risen by at least 100% over the past year. Businesses using video grow their digital marketing revenue 49% faster year on year compared to organizations who don't use this medium to market. 79% of consumers prefer watching video over reading text to learn about a product. Video increases your chance of a front-page Google result by 53%. 80% of users can recall a video ad they viewed in the past 30 days. Including video on your landing page can increase your conversion rate by 80%. 91% of video marketers consider video a crucial part of their marketing strategy. People spend over double the amount of time on pages with video than on pages without. Because of this, video massively increases the dwell time of your page, which has an extremely positive effect on the Google RankBrain algorithm. Adding video to your social feeds means your audience is 10 times more likely to engage and share your posts. Video is shared 1,200% more on social media than any other content type. 70% of marketers say video is the most effective medium for driving their sales and leads. 93% of businesses say they've gained new customers thanks to social media video marketing. 84% of marketers rank video creation skills as critically important when getting hired for a new marketing position. With our digital marketing course, you'll be able to follow step-by-step blueprints that will teach you how to create and cut magnificent videos using just your smartphone. You don't have to be a famous movie director to be able to shoot high-quality video content. In this course, we'll show you just how easy and cheap it can be to shoot top-quality video. We'll prove that with just a couple of basic pieces of equipment and some fundamental computer skills, you can easily and quickly create professional-looking content that has a massive reach potential. As well as this, you'll learn effective ways to communicate your message and promote your brand without coming across like a cheesy sales commercial. It's important to bear in mind that people don't go on Instagram or YouTube to watch ads. They are there to consume engaging content that appeals to their specific interests, so you don't need to be a natural salesman to appeal to them. All you need to do is produce great value, attractive content, and then you need to ensure you apply the appropriate digital marketing strategy so it gets found.